Yo, today is a very special day in the life of a SURRON rider. Through all the clicking and planning and forums and not having money and basically not having money, the Chai Systems Gladiator 72 volt SURRON battery. Yo, I just got a text. It has arrived. Alright, here we go. This is what we've all been waiting for. Gonna unbox this bad boy. It's not. Stop. Stop. Say that's not 4K, so I don't dox myself. Nice. So nice. This is actually my first unboxing video. Mommy never buys me anything, but today she stole stepdad's credit card and I bought SURRON parts. All the SURRON parts. What we got here? Ooh, QS8 and QS10 connectors. Don't know what that's for. There's a lot of stuff to go through. Charger. Ooh, 72 volt. I'll put that by all my other chargers. Oh yeah, here's the big boy. '72 compact QS8. Oh shit, baby, here it is. Oh, it's a brick. It is a brick. Oh, God, it's still cut. Don't want to cut up my battery, you know what I'm saying? Come out of here, cocoon, little chai. It's time to live. It's time to fly. Oh, look at that connector. Oh, beefy. That's so beefy. So fucking bubbly. Oh, who needs an indicator? Oh, that's nice. Let's just bend the hair down. Alright guys, there it is. Oh my god, here it is. The 72 volt compact chai battery. I don't even know what to do with it right now because it's just so much power. Here it is. Alright. What do we got here? That's the lamest knife deployment ever. Sorry. Oh. EXT racing shocks. Alright, looks to be the EXT ferro fork. In here, I wouldn't be surprised if we also have the EXT arma. Oh, that is really nice. EXT arma MX. It's a big old spring. I got 600 or 650 on there. Because I'm fat. 550. Made in Italy. Just like me! Shock pump, that's great. Too bad I already have one. Well, yeah, I'm getting ready to do a little swap. Front end swap, rear suspension swap. We got a swing arm back there. Gonna upgrade the swing arm. I just switched out the subframe. We got a Surge STUNTS 12 o'clock bar back there. 72 compact chai battery systems. What else? We got some more prickly parts over here. Got triangles just hanging out. I got a prickly triangle. I got a warp 9 triangle. Not sure which one I'm going to use. I got 2 different linkage risers. One for my 16x19 wheel set. Another if I use these stock 19x19. I don't know yet. Because I got 2 different wheel sets to try out. Got the Shinko. I'm going to use that dual sport in the front.
See if it's better in wet grass. Had a little incident trying to get through some, you know, it wasn't even wet. It was like damp grass at midnight out here. And psh, forget it. I was just all over the place. And that is no bueno. You know what I mean? If you're just trying to like get somewhere, maybe through someone's yard or whatever, and just like peeling out, fuck that. So that was on this tire actually, which is great for the street, not so much in that grass. So I'm gonna switch it up to that. I think it's a Shinko 804, something new. It was like double the price, so hopefully that works out. And then I got this dirt set. It's the Midas. They're like lightweight. I forget what that green stripe means. Oh shit, what is this box down here? Let's move this out of the way, because I want to look at it in detail. Where are you? This box be charged cycle works. Big shout, charged cycle works. They see my credit card running all the time. That is an EBMX SURRON motor. Sweet harness, bro. Give me that encoder sensor. Alright, well, not much I can do with this bad boy today, but let's put this aside. What else we got? We got another box over here. Bonus. We got titanium axles. We got prickly parts. What do we got in this prickly box? We got prickly. We got brake mounts. We got rotors. We got warp 9 Ferris wheel. Bro, I got everything. Got every SURRON part possible. Got all these warp 9 components. I can swap out that headset. Big shout to Charged Cycle Works. You got that headset swap kit, titanium everything. You know, I don't even need those brake pads anymore. Warp 9 Racing headlight. Talaria boys had this. I got it immediately. Swapping out from that grit shift, which is still an upgrade, but I don't know, the style on that and the output, I can't wait to see it. So going to be upgrading basically everything. Nothing's going to be stock but the frame. Every Chinese bolt, get the fuck out. Just waiting on those wheel set that should be here later today, and then we're going to get busy all weekend tearing this bad boy apart.